Hi guys, welcome to the Wayhu's video channel. Now, I would like to introduce to you Wayhu's new strip light. Cutting free and welding free strip light. With built-in hand shaking sensor. The strip light has been fully technologically upgraded. The lampshade is made of high-quality materials, with high transparency and no dark areas. The pluggable blocking switch design is easy to install. Just connect the power interface and wave hand. The strip light will light up. And the strip light has no polarity difference. You can connect in both sides. The strip light can be cut arbitrarily to solve the pain point of customizing the length. After cutting, no welding is required, and the strip light can still work normally. After connecting the power interface, the light is soft and protects the eyes. It is suitable for local lighting places, such as wine cabinets, wardrobes, and cabinets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I can cooperate with you guys in the near future.